Hey guys, I want to show you how you can quickly and easily utilize KVcore to advertise any listing for leads on social media, including Facebook. So all you're going to do is go over to your KVcore, scroll down to this little image right here, which is a computer, a tablet, and a phone. Go to website settings and scroll down a little bit until you get to mandate phone right here. You can turn this off for high volume of leads or keep this on for high quality. We're going to change this to normal for your lead campaign. Hit save. Go over here to Playbooks and go to Open Playbook. In here, we're going to scroll down to My eXp Realty's listings, and then we happen to have the most expensive home for sale by an eXp agent in DFW. I say we because this is our listing. I may be the listing agent, but it's actually eXp Realty's listing. So type in 7601 Sierra. This is our listing, $5.5 million. With $165,000 buyer's agent commission. So find us a buyer. Go to digital promotion, click on copy. That's going to go to your website. It's going to have the listing with your little face, your phone number, and if they click on anywhere, it's going to prompt and ask for their name, email, phone number. So you can take that link and post it on Facebook, and it has a really clean look with the main picture, post a little blurb about it, share it to groups, get the word out there, find a buyer, get some leads.